dust on my boots, sunset low, old radio, driving slow. Every mile keeps calling your name. This lonely road feels the same. I said I'd leave and never look back, but your smile rides shotgun in my head. Every sign says I should be free, but my heart won't let you be. I've crossed the line I swore I'd never cross, still paying for the love I lost. Why do I have to love you when loving you hurts like this? Why do your eyes still pull me like a last goodbye I miss? I tried to let go, I tried to move on, but this road keeps proving me wrong. Tell me why, tell me how, why do I have to love you now? Small town lights fade in my mirror, your voice still sounds so clear. Every song on this highway feels like something you would say. I see your shadow in every bar, and broken dreams and old guitars I drank to forget, but I still know your memory's got nowhere to go. I prayed for strength, I begged for truth, still every road leads back to you. Why do I have to love you when loving you breaks me down? Why do I still believe in a heart that's not around? I tried to be strong, I tried to be gone, but this night keeps dragging on. Tell me why, tell me how, why do I have to love you now? If love's a lesson, I've learned it hard. Some scars stay deep, some heal with time. If I could choose, I'd choose the truth, but my soul keeps choosing you. Why do I have to love you on these endless country roads? Why does your name feel heavier with every mile I go? Maybe someday I'll understand why I still reach for your hand. Till that day I'll drive somehow, ask the stars why I love you now. Engine hums, moonlight blue, same old